This is the text about the Aborigines in Australia. Remember to learn the new words that you see on the side of the picture. Aborigines. Aborigines are one of the oldest populations in the world. They came to Australia about 70,000 years ago. There were hundreds of thousands of Aborigines in Australia when the European settlers came. Many Aborigines died from the diseases brought by the Europeans. In the late 1800s, the Australian government started to remove many Aboriginal children from their families. Some thought it would be better for the children to grow up in white Christian families. Others thought this was a good idea to assimilate the Aboriginal people. Some had to work as slaves for the Europeans. Today, the Aborigines make up about 2.5% of the population, and their culture is reviving. Still, many of them live in poverty.